Alright, what's up DC fam? It's your boy Will DZ. We're back again with a new vlog. So, kind of running late right now. I'll explain more later when I get into the car. Pretty much gotta get the car back to stock because all of this freaking VI blitz that we're having. So, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so pretty much as you know, shut up. As you guys know, currently there's like this VI blitz going on, so just cops, especially just VPD only, just giving out, you know, like VI just for cars that like even look modded, slightly modded, they'll still pull you over. Like they'll even pull like regular cars over. I'm just like, what? So it's kind of getting out of hand, and I'm just sick of like always scanning and always just driving with fear, and that's not really what I want. And honestly, I got on like 3 or 4 VIs already, and this is honestly just really needs to stop now, you know what I mean? And more so, like, I know I'm just, yeah, like I'm gonna take an L. Like, they're gonna win. I'm gonna turn this car, like this plan, my plan is to turn this car back to stock. Like at least adjust my ride height at least, right? And then yeah, hopefully that should let them back off, and hopefully that should probably pass my VI. But yeah. Shoot, sorry guys, I got interrupted with that phone call. But we're reaching buddy's house. Reaching TQ's house. Damn, just got things on deck. What's up, TQ? What's up, bro? Backing in. She's backing in? Jeez. There? Like, in the...
A few moments later.
This bullshit notice in order, guys. Oh god. I gotta take these babies off. Surprised these guys dropped my car so low. It's just springs, not even coils. Damn, I didn't mind that low.
The back's too low though.
Yeah. What about yours? The same thing too, no?
What?
Jeez!
No, there's an angle right now.
Oh, okay, I guess. You're just, well yeah, you just made it actually. If it wasn't on an angle, you'd be okay. It's one gap. Damn.
But if you look at my body on my car, my rim is actually sitting more lower.
I know, which is weird, man. It's just so weird. And then, damn, we got Silas's car. Put the tag here. Not bad, not bad. But yeah guys, hopefully after the suspension thing is in, should be no more problems from the cops anymore, hopefully. But yeah, should be good. Guys. Oh my god. I can fit my fist through here now. Guys, what the what the hell? Jeez. They can't give me shit no more, yo. Like, seriously, they can't give me shit no more. Jeez. Backs. Damn, man, I'm really not used to this. This is like so bad. This is bad. Okay guys, we're gonna work on the back, and once it's done, show you what the final ride height would be. Oh, this is so bad, but we gotta get it done. Okay guys, doing this side, and this one always blows out, and it looks like this. What the? That's pretty messed up, yo. Holy, these are bald as hell. Yeah, all the tires that blew out were from here, or this one. So there's only one alignment issue then.
Yeah.
Jeez. Alright guys, so finally done. Moment of truth, guys. You ready to see? Oh my god, that's so bad. Oh no, dude. Oh my god, here guys. This is it. This fist gap, baby. Fist gap, fist gang. Jeez. Look at the back. Oh my god. Fist gang, yo. Fist gang. Taking L's today. Taking L's.
Hey, think about you fly through speed bumps.
I could fly through speed bumps now. I don't need to go through an angle anymore. But yeah guys, taking L's today. You know, had to be done. So yep. Hopefully once I get through inspection, I'll probably pass with flying colors, I hope. I just can't get over the difference, man. Of this.
Just think about the...
And this. I just can't. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's okay. This is, living the stock life now, man. Living the stock life now. Okay, guys. Jeez. So, sitting in the car now. And I feel like this car is so freaking high, yo. Like, oh my god. Like, I can see everything now. Jeez. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how the drive is. Like, I honestly don't even need to worry about speed bumps anymore. I don't need to worry about like going through hills, bumps, whatever, yo. Like, life's pretty good right now. Life's pretty good. Oh, okay. I don't even need a brake. Oh, jeez, what the hell was that?
You're good, you're good.
Oh, shit! Okay, gonna go up the hill. Jeez! Let's check if there's any sounds. Everything seems to be okay. See some speed bumps. Nope. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. Okay. No sound, so we're pretty good. We're pretty good. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Wow. Okay. I don't have to worry about potholes, any of that stuff. Oh yes, life is amazing. Yes. I gotta shout out to TQ. Thank you for hooking it up, man. Like, you are a lifesaver. A straight lifesaver. No, everything checks out. It's good. Woo. I don't even slow down anymore. I can just go through bumps. Like no tomorrow. Alright, yo. First person, guys. First person view of this thing.
Look at my truck in front of you.
Oh my god. Yo, look at that Okay, from far, it's like It's okay, but once you get closer, look at this gap though, man. Oh. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. 4x4 ready. I'm ready to go off-road. I'm ready to go off-roading now, man. So go to the mountain runs now or what?
It's nice though, right? The height?
Yeah.
The bumps feel nice.
Yeah, no, it's good now. It's I just gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it. I gotta thank TQ. Thanks, brah. Always pulling through, yo. Always pulling through. I'm gonna post TQ's IG here if you guys wanna go follow him. Give him a like on this photo. Some pretty sick cars. Some new projects coming out too for TQ, so stay tuned. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been your boy DZ. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. It's been your boy DZ. Peace out, fam.